G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. Welcome to St. Louis, Missouri, virtually I might add. Well, nice to have you here. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Carpigiani, C-A-R-P-I-G-I-A-N-I, Carpigiani. The link is down below. What do they make, Steve? They are the #1 manufacturer in volume of ice cream equipment in the entire world. Oh, well, what do they make? Mate, they make batch freezers, soft serve machines, slush machines, popsicle machines. Have a look at the link down below, Carpigiani. Thanks, mate, I'll do it. Anyway, we do thank them for our episode sponsorship. Just a little bit of jocularity down here at the Scoop School studio. Now, this episode is entitled Things I Learned from a Bag of Mulch, Part 1. And I know what you're asking yourself. Well, how many episodes is there? How many parts are there? How many things can you learn from a bag of mulch? Well, there's a lot of things you can learn from a bag of mulch. Beautiful springtime here in St. Louis. Everyone's out doing lawn, garden stuff. I'm buying tons and tons of bags of mulch from the Home Depot. And as I'm unloading this endless amount of bags of mulch, I read them, I guess. I tend to be one of those persons that looks for marketing ideas, what other people do, how do they label things. And I noticed two things on this bag of mulch. This episode is part 1. And the first thing I noticed is that they had a garden club. They said, look, if you're buying a bag of mulch here, surely you'd want to be part of our garden club. It's free. So what did I do? I went to homedepot.com/garden club, had a bit of a look. What pops up straight away? Hey, you join our garden club, we'll give you $5 off your next $10 purchase. It's free, why didn't I do it? So I punch a little thing in there, I join the garden club, shishing. Or did it go, boo? Or was it, gong? Anyway, I got a text saying, thank you for joining the garden club, here's your $5 coupon, Bob's your uncle. Now I say that because Home Depot has just done something pretty good. Yes, they're giving me a discount on a product that they probably are still going to make money on anyway, and now they can market to me because they know that I am a garden person who wants information. So while they're doing their marketing, their email campaigns, their text campaigns, they're basically targeting me as someone who has bought mulch before and possibly will buy more things. How does that affect you in an ice cream business? Well, do you have a Scoops Club? A dip club? Do you have a come join our ice cream community club? Now, this is different to a loyalty program. A loyalty program is just where you're basically taking a percentage of their sales or 1 visit in 10 and rewarding them for being a regular customer. This is much more engaging. Having a club means that you're emailing them semi-regularly, you're giving them perhaps ice cream trivia, you're letting them know early what the flavors of the month are going to be. You might have a special event once a month where you have ice cream tastings before or after hours for ice cream club members only. There's a lot of things you can do with your own special ice cream club. It doesn't take you anything to set up. You can have it as a separate page with a login on your website. So these customers can actually log in to a members only page. What does that do for the non-members? They're on your website scrolling around. What's this members only? Click on it. Sorry, you've got to be a member of our ice cream or Scoops Club to get this special information. It's free. Boom, they're in. Unbelievable. You're getting information that you can now start to market to people, and you're giving them another level of engagement, and that's the most important thing. They feel as though they've got this inside link to your business, inside link to new flavors that are coming out, these special events that you're doing. I know you've got a lot on your plate right now, it's a busy time of year, but please consider having your own ice cream or Scoops or customer club that will give people just that extra level of engagement. It won't cost you anything. You'll be able to get marketing information, and again, people feel much more connected to your brand. So thank you, Home Depot, for words of wisdom on a bag of mulch. Stay tuned for part 2 of the second thing I learned from the bag of mulch. Here is the actual bag of mulch. Shoo-shoo! Hey, another big thank you to Carpigiani for sponsoring this video. Again, if you have any problems with your ice cream business, We're here to help you. You go to scoopschool.com. We got classes coming up in the fall again. Very excited, moving into a brand new facility. Hey, I don't ask this enough. Please like the video. Please hit subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I know it's cliche, but hey, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you anything. Same with these tips. Why don't you start giving back a little bit? Here we are busting our humps down here at Scoop School, giving you all this free information. The least you can do is hit subscribe and a like. That's what I think anyway. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.